We'll guide you through how to get free overlays on Streamlabs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Streamlabs website. Log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, head to the dashboard, where you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side. Find and click on the Themes tab. This is where you can explore a wide array of overlays and themes. To find the free overlays, simply type "free" into the search bar at the top. Streamlabs provides a selection of free overlays that you can easily browse through. Once you find a design you like, click on it to view more details. If you decide to use it, click the "I install" button. This will automatically add the overlay to your Streamlabs OBS. Now, open Streamlabs OBS on your computer. You'll see the newly installed overlay in your Scenes section. You can now customize these overlays to better fit your stream by adjusting the widgets and text to your preference. Streamlabs makes it easy to tweak the colors, sizes, and positions. Remember, having a consistent and visually appealing overlay can significantly enhance the viewer experience. It's a great way to make your stream feel more professional. Once you're happy with the setup, make sure to save your changes. And just like that, you're ready to go live with your new setup. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.